Hi, this is Mike Lembeck with the Remax Commercial, bringing you today's Let's Talk About It. And today's background scenery is winter in Norway. Hopefully you enjoy it while I go over this information about the current real estate market. Today's article is titled Shallow Recession or Global Financial Crisis, what we can expect in the year of 2023 and what the forecast is saying here from Integra Realty Resources. This is based on their annual commercial real estate trends report and forecast. And it states as the new year begins, there appears to be both guarded optimism and extreme pessimism, not always in equal measure around the state of the real estate market. On one side, there's doomsayers focusing on the risk of another global financial crisis, the possibility that the Fed will be unable to control inflation, rising food and oil prices, and the FTX crypto meltdown, and the recent suspension by Blackstone and Starwood of redemptions in their real estate funds. On the other side are the guarded optimists who expect only a shallow recession as the Fed tries to cure inflation by draining the market of capital. Equity positions in real estate that are forced to act via refinancing or sale in the coming year will be punished with fewer buyers and deeper discounts. So we're anticipating fewer buyers, which we've already seen. Buyers are backing away from the market because the higher interest rates, cash flow on properties isn't as significant as it was over the previous couple of years with the lower interest rates. And even though we've seen increasing rents, they haven't been able to offset the amount of the increasing interest rates. Therefore, cash flow has suffered in that case. Buyers are kind of waiting to see if the interest rates will come back down sometime further into the year. And if that potentially happens, as long as rents don't decline, then they're going to be in a better cash flow position, or at least equal to what they were over the last couple of years, more specifically in 2022. The true optimist realizes that patient equity will be rewarded with price rebounds over a longer time horizon. So if there's patient equity, meaning that waiting through the end of this year potentially, then you'll see some significant price rebounds as the market rebounds, as real estate always does. It goes up in value over time. Not always right away, of course, but over time, a period of years, you see that built up in equity. The report also predicts that the overall economy should expect a similar combination of headwinds and tailwinds as the US experienced in 2022. So we're looking at more of the same of what we saw in the latter half of 2022. That's what's forecast for 2023. The slowing transaction volumes and the beginning of price adjustments are being felt. It would be surprising if price declines did not become commonplace in 2023. So they're expecting real estate values to decline. This is mainly in the commercial market. We're going to potentially see some loans that are going to have to be refinanced that might not be able to be refinanced at their current loan to value ratio, because lenders have cut back their loan to value, and pulling out refinance money isn't going to be as simple as it was based on that current lending environment. So hopefully you found this report information informative, and it's something that you could use here in the future with your real estate investments. If you have any questions on the market or what you potentially can get for your property, or either doing a 1031 exchange or exchanging into one of the vehicles that we have potentially for you to avoid capital gains but still own real estate without having to do a 1031. We have several resources for that. A lot of the contacts we have that support those programs are very well experienced and can guide you through the process very easily and answer any questions that you might have. So feel free to reach out to me in regards to any of those programs. I'd be happy to give you their contact information to be able to understand what's going on so that you have a comfort level on what they can potentially do for you. Hope you find this report informative, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great day and we'll talk to you soon.